Hello students. Now we are begin with our Gadya Vibhaga first lesson, that is Sushtu Gruhitaha Chauraha. The thief was well caught. Sushtu means well caught, Gruhita means caught, and Chauraha means thief. I will just give introduction about this lesson, children. This lesson is related about the Birbal. As per my knowledge, you know many stories about Akbar and Birbal, you people all. So, divergent stories of wise and witty Birbal are not just entertaining, they are also giving us values. Okay. In this story, we see how Birbal used to use his cleverness and put his knowledge of human behavior to use to help his friend catch the thief. Birbal knew it is a human tendency to hide one's mistakes or wrongdoing. He believed that a person who has erred would not be at ease till he would have found some way to cover it. Keeping this mind, to catch the thief, Birbal gave Devdatta 6 servants a stick each and said that only the thief's sticks would become longer the next day. The real thief cut his sticks so that he would not be caught. Birbal cleverly identified the thief as the one whose stick was shorter than the rest people. Okay, children, the same story we are going to learn from the same lesson. Okay, now the pattern will be uh, teaching is I will read the line in Sanskrit. Okay. I will give you word to word meaning. Right now, I am just orally giving you. After completing the lesson, I will give you the meaning in writing on the WhatsApp. And with the help of that meaning, you have to write the translation. Children, we don't have translation to write in the exam, but to understand the lesson very well, the translation you should know uh, properly, so that the idea or the order of the story can be remembered by you people. Okay, so that translation has to be written. Okay, now see, Devadatta Nama Kaha api dhanikah asit. See children, some spelling mistakes are there, but you just go through your book. Ko api avagraha is not there and asit ta halante is not there. Okay. Devadattah nama kaha api dhanikah asit. Now kaha api I am reading by solving the sandhi. Okay. Sandhi we have started last year little one, but now we will see in detail. Okay. So after finishing this lesson, I will give you sandhi also. See, Devadatta is the name of the person, Nama name, Kahapi, a certain, Dhanikaha, rich man, Asit was. So there was a certain rich man named by Devadatta. Ekada tasya dhanasyutah luptah. Ekada once, tasya his, dhanasyutah, syuta bag. We have seen last year syuta bag, or I think this year only in Chitrapada Kosha we have seen. Syuta means bag, dhana means wealth or money. Luptah, that is lost or disappeared, we can say. So once his money bag was lost. तस्य गृहे षड् भृत्याः आसन्. तस्य his गृहे in the house षड् six भृत्याः servant आसन् were. So there were 6 servants in his house. तेषु एव एकः चौरः स्यात् इति तस्य मतम्. तेषु among them eva only ekah one chaurah thief syat must be iti tasya matam iti thus tasya his matam opinion. So it was his opinion that one of them must be a thief. One of them means out of these 6 one will be a thief. Chauram grahitum saha birbalah sahayam ayachat. Now the story starts. Chauram grahitum, to catch the thief. Grahitum, this is Tumantavya. Now this year, I think after this lesson we are going to see the tumun pratyayas. So that time you will come to know. So chauram grahitum. Grahitum means to catch. Chauram is thief. Saha he. He means Devadatta. Birbalah sahayam ayachat. Birbalah, that is Birbal. Sahayam, help. Ayachat, ask. So he asked Birbal for help to catch the thief. Birbalah avadat. Birbal said, Mitra, Adya Sayankale tava sarvan bhrutyan mama gruham preshaya. Now again bhrutyan na halante is not there, children. Just remember that. So Mitra, oh friend, Adya, that is today, Sayankale in the evening, tava your sarvana bhrutyana, all the servant, mama gruham, to my house preshaya, send. So what did he say? Ki Birbal said, friend, send all your servant to my house today in the evening. यथा निश्चितं सर्वे सेवकाः बिरबलस्य गृहम् आगताः. यथा निश्चितं means as decided before, सर्वे सेवकाः, all the servants, Birbalasya of Birbal, Gruham house, Agataha came. So as decided, all the servants came to Birbal's house. Now we will stop here. I am going to send meanings and Sandhi, if possible, from these lines, and then we will say what happened when they reached to Birbal's house. Okay, children? Thank you.